Welcome to the NuCalm Reset Challenge. My name is Jim Poole. I am the CEO of NuCalm, and I'm here to guide you over the course of the next 7 days, and you're in for a treat. Now, NuCalm may be new to you, but it's certainly not new to us. For more than 33 years, we have invented, clinically proven and refined complex neuroscience and put it now into a mobile app, so you now have the power of your brain in the palm of your hand. So how are you going to feel? Well, you're going to feel amazingly liberated from everyday stress, worry, anxiety, fear. You're going to know what it's like to wake up each day feeling restored, like you actually slept well and ready to get on with your day. You're going to feel during the day what it's like to be focused, have greater clarity, comprehension, and concentration, so you can get more done mentally in less time. And lastly, for you competitive athletes, Olympic athletes, amateur athletes, professional athletes, or weekend warriors, you'll see what it's like to be amplified so that you can perform at your highest level without drugs, without side effects, and get in the zone on demand. Over the next 7 days, we're going to ask you to do simple tasks, such as find a safe, comfortable place. Give us 30 minutes, that's right, 1/48 of your day, and we'll take very good care of you. Put an eye mask on, a headphone, lie down, select a rescue journey, and off you go. After 7 days, you will see why the elite U.S. Navy SEALs, Special Forces and Air Force Special Operations Command, why 56 professional sports teams, including teams like the Golden State Warriors and the Chicago Blackhawks, UFC fighters, including several world champions, tennis champions, golf champions, auto racing. You'll see why they have incorporated NuCalm into their daily life so that they can feel better, perform better, and live better. And people even like Tony Robbins, or Ben Greenfield, or Jim Quick, people that are out there influencing others to improve their life. NuCalm used to be a highly regulated FDA Class 3 medical device that sold to doctors for $6,000, and we are so pleased over the last 4 years that we're able to transition to a mobile device. So you can now have access to all of this great neuroscience in the palm of your hand for as little as 50 cents a day. And we know with great confidence, when you're done with this reset challenge, that you're going to feel confident, you're going to have greater clarity, and most importantly, you're going to feel like you're back in control of who you are, who you want to be, and where you want to go. So welcome to the Reset Challenge. We at NuCalm are so honored and pleased to have you, and we look forward to hearing about your journey. Be well and enjoy.